Hi, this is the Aggie Sustainability Alliance checklist instructions. ASA encourages faculty, staff, and students to participate in fostering a culture of sustainability. Individuals, offices, and student organizations are recognized for their voluntary contributions to major sustainable areas. What is sustainability? Sustainability is the intersection of environmental, economic, and social factors. Texas A&M defines sustainability as the efficient, deliberate, and responsible preservation of environmental, social, and economic resources to protect our Earth for future generations of Texas Aggies, the Texas A&M University community, and beyond. There are 5 categories within the ASA checklist. Number 1 is energy and water. Number 2 is transportation. Number 3 is food and purchasing. Number 4 is waste minimization. And number 5 is social sustainability. Within each category, there are 5 different pledges you can commit to. A commitment of 1 pledge per category makes you Tier 1, a supporter, 2, an advocate, and 3, a champion. Let's transition to our website now. Once you get to sustainability.tamu.edu, you can click our programs and then ASA. Once there, click certification and choose which one applies better to you. In this case, I'm a student. Then you hit our landing page. After that, a quick explanation of what sustainability is and why it matters, followed by a certification overview. Now we're getting to the checklist and the pledges themselves. Our first category is energy and water. Our second category is transportation. I'm going to quickly walk you through my thought process. I pledged to walk and ride my bike, as well as learn how to fix my own bike. That has been a problem for me in the past. I commit to riding the Aggie spirit. And lastly, I commit to maximizing my vehicle efficiency. So that leads me to a total of 4 commitments, which I will click on this page. And this is kind of the line of thought, the thought process that you will do on every single one of these pages. So this is then followed by food and purchasing, waste minimization, and then our final category, social sustainability. And that leads us to our second to last landing page. On this page, you'll select the provisional level of your Aggie Sustainability Alliance certification, followed by participant information. In this case, I am the Sustainable Aggie, and that will be you as well. Although the rest of the information is optional, we would appreciate it if you put your user experience. And then our last page. To submit this checklist, you are officially a member of the ASA. Welcome! If you have any questions, please reach us out at this email or our Instagram. Thank you, and Gig'em Green Aggies!